Okay, now we're going to install our Windows 7 onto our VMware. Create a new virtual machine. Typical install. Next, we need to browse for our file. And it should say that it's detected and use easy install. So you hit next, and then you'll need to put in your product key. Since this is an evaluation, it's not required to put a product key in, but you would put a product key in for your installation on your machine. So just hit next, and if you wish to change the name of it, then you would change the name and where it's at. Just hit next. I leave the setting as what it says, and just go ahead and click next and then finish, and it's going to power on when it does. Windows is starting. There we go. We're going through setup. It's copying all the Windows files. As it says here, that computer will start several times during the installation, so don't freak out if it shuts down on you a couple times. Expanding window files. Now it's installing updates. Now it's restarting. As you can see, it's setting up registry settings. It's completing the installation. Done. I almost need like some kind of music to this. Okay, we're setting up our personal settings, which is so this is if you want to share anything with other computers that have Windows 7. And then it's installing VMware tools in the background. Just hit next. Alright, so now we're ready to roll. You need to put your password in that you'd put in previously. Ready to roll. So you have Windows 7. Now this to me has been the best one so far. So anything you'd like to do? Alright, that's how do you install it.